Oriel 82400 series lamp housing for 1000-watt lamp. Currently there is a 1000-watt lamp installed in it, and it is deep UV type of lamp. And the digital timer, the time is adjustable with the front knobs, and the timer is working. The photo feedback controller is right now integrated to the unit. The feedback detector is on the front hood of the lamp housing. There are two cables connected to the photo feedback unit, and the light intensity controller or the photo feedback control unit is attached to the lamp power supply. So by adjusting, once calibrated to the lamp power, the optical power output, by adjusting the photo feedback controller, we can change the lamp intensity. The variability is about 5% from the set point of the lamp wattage output on the lamp power supply. So the green light indicates that it is in the controllable light intensity control range. If it goes too low, the green turns red, or too high. I have an external meter which is a detector with 220 nanometers. So I'm using an optical associate 206 UV meter. The meter indication tallies with the intensity meter. To calibrate, over here, to match the digital indication on the light intensity controller, there is a potentiometer here, the adjustment part. We can match the reading, the digital reading, to the external meter output in milliwatt per centimeter square units. This is the universal power supply, 68820 Oriel power supply for 1000-watt lamps. Right now the reading is set at 800 watts. I'm going to increase it to 1000 watts, and we can monitor the voltage with the toggle switch, and voltage to the left, and the current, which is DC current, to the right. And it's a 3 scales on the display: voltage, wattage, and the current in amperes. So at 1000 watt of power output, let us see the intensity on the meter. The intensity is about 7.2 milliwatts per centimeter square, and you can observe the reading on the meter, the uniformity. It's always recommended to use UV protective gloves and UV goggles while using this deep UV lamp source. The variation is well within the linearity of the uniformity of the optical output is within the specifications, less than plus or minus 5% of the total intensity. And now I'm going to show how to adjust the lamp. The location of the lamp is very important. When the lamp is running, slowly open the bottom cover of the lamp housing. These two knobs move the lamp in X and Y directions, and the belt or the chain here moves the lamp mounting support vertically, which is called Z-axis adjustment. So while watching the meter, make sure that it is coming to the maximum point by adjusting all the three knobs. Once adjusted, the knobs need not be disturbed unless the lamp is changed. So the power output is more than 7.5 milliwatt per centimeter square. There is a high-speed blower at the bottom of the lamp housing, so the air in the room is sucked through the ventilations to cool the elliptical mirror and the reflecting deep UV dichroic reflector mirror, and the exhaust. If there is an exhaust in the room, it can be used in this area so that any ozone could be vented to the outside. Oriel deep UV illuminator system. This is the lamp housing, and the lamp is installed in a separate box. It's the original deep UV lamp, and the heat sink is also included. The lamp is installed with anode in upright position like this. The cathode has a threaded adapter. The lamp just screws in the base plate. The heat sink is to be mounted on the top of the anode and should be tightened with the two set screws on the heat sink head. And there is a powerful wire inside the lamp housing, which is to be attached to the head through this hole, and the set screws are on the top. These are 1/16 set screws, and you need a Allen wrench 1/16 for the cable connection and a 3/32 for the heat sink attachment to the lamp. It's very important because to cool the anode, this is very essential. Now I'm going to show how to install the lamp inside the lamp housing. So, looking from the front side, on the left hand side of the lamp housing, there are thumb screws. So the top plate is to be opened to be able to install the lamp. And make it upside down like that, and holding the anode with clean gloves. Insert it in the threaded hole at the base and just finger tight it with anode in top position. Anode is marked with a plus symbol, and A lamp is to be screwed in all the way till it stops turning any further, and place the heat sink. Use an appropriate length Allen wrench so that you don't scratch the ellipsoidal reflector. Okay. Here is the braided cable, which is to be secured in the hat, and just finger tight the set screws so that the cable is not springing out, and that's it. On the lamp housing. The lamp housing needs to be plugged into the 110 volt supply. Now I'm going to power up the lamp. Over here, sir. To start the lamp, use the push button, and it's about 15 to 20 minutes warm-up time for the lamp to stabilize. So once the lamp is stabilized, the current lamp voltage will decrease and current will increase. That's it.